Can you fit a 350Z seat into your G35 sedan? Yep. Yes, you can. A few modifications required, but it'll fit and it'll work. Let me show you how. First, you gotta find a seat that's not ripped, that's not destroyed. Good luck with that. This one has airbag, power forward, back, and recline, and the manual seat tilt, whatever that is. So it's more or less a complete bolt-on, bolts right in, with a few caveats. So first things first, these bolt holes will line up, all four will line up to the seat bracket. However, you're gonna have an issue here with the tunnel brace, and what's gonna happen is the seat's gonna sit like this, and this end's not gonna line up. It's gonna be off by about a quarter. See, that lines up. The two in the rear line up. That one does not. The issue is the G35 tunnel, it sticks out a little too far because, you know, this seat will flex and you can move it just a little bit over to get it lined up with the holes. So what I had to do, I got this off of the forums. I saw people drilling holes in the bracket here to elongate this hole so it would line up, but I didn't want to do that for some reason. Who knows, maybe it compromises the structure of the seat bracket, I don't know. So what I did, which is what I read also, is basically I took a hammer and I bashed in the tunnel brace right here, because what happens is this metal bracket, let me see if you can see in there, that metal, I think it's the slide, it basically touches the tunnel brace, or sorry, the tunnel, and won't let you line the seat up completely. So I just took a hammer, gave it a couple hammers, all around this area, and no one's gonna see it. And I looked underneath in the tunnel brace, and you couldn't tell. It's got all these factory stamps and stuff in there. You can't tell anyway. It made no difference. So now this bracket can flex just enough, and it'll get right in that hole. And same here, and the two line up no problem. Now the other issue I found is with the wiring harness, specifically the airbag sensor wiring. So my G is a 04. The seat is apparently it's from a 2006 350Z, and the airbag harness plugged right in. I was reading on the forums that they don't match. So some people, I think, it just didn't plug it in altogether. But these matched no problem. They were perfect fit. However, the wiring harness to get the controls to work is not a perfect fit. So I'll show you. I got mine wired up. So control works, back, forward, tilt, all that good stuff. So what I had to do, this is the wiring harness from the G. So it comes with the plug to the airbag, that plugs right in, and then it comes with the plug for the seat belt buckle. Now you are gonna have to swap the seat belt buckle, because the 350Z one won't work with your G. Won't work with your G buckle bracket, whatever. So That's why that's so long. The 350Z one is like, you know, this short. So you're gonna have to swap that out, but the connector fits. They're the same, plugs right in. The other issue is the wiring harness that comes out of the G looks like this, and that feeds the power, the heated seats, the tilt up, down, whatever, all the seat controls. But the 350Z harness looks like this. So it's got red, which is power, the black, which is ground, and then it's got a blue with silver dots. Come on, focus. And then it's got a white with silver dots. So what I did is I had an extra harness from a G seat from I think it was from a 2005 seat from a G sedan, and I basically spliced it and plugged one end into the G body harness, which is this part here, and then this top part is from the old seat from the G. And then I found the white here is power from the G. The black up here with the silver dot is ground. And then I think, no, actually I know for sure this green with black stripe is the heated seats high setting. And then the one underneath, this blue, what the fuck, no, I think it's gray with blue stripe, is the heated seat low setting. And on the 350Z harness, red is power, black is ground. The blue and silver stripe, I'm pretty sure, reading on the forums, is the high heated seat function, the high setting. And the white with the silver dots is the heated seat low function. So made my own little adapter harness here, plugged them in, power, ground, that all works. The heated seat functions, I was a little impatient. I didn't want to sit in the seat and wait for it to heat up, because I don't even use that often anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. If it ends up not working, then oh well, I just won't use the heated seats, no big deal. But otherwise, that's my adapter. I'll get rid of all these extra wires so they're not in the way. And there you go. That's how it's done. 350Z seat in a sedan. It's really more comfortable. It's a lot more comfortable than the stock G seat. Ugh. However, I feel like a little kid. This thing is so low. Look at this. I'm about 5'11". This is where my field of view is, right here. I feel like a little kid looking out the window. Like a little kid. So there's trying to measure. There's about, from my thumb to the tip of my finger is how much extra headroom I have. So that much. But shoot. Oh well, we'll try it out. Well, now you know. Find yourself a nice 350Z seat that isn't torn up. Good luck with that. If you do find one, go play the lottery and then put it in your sedan. I think I covered pretty much everything. No splicing on the seat itself. The bolt holes they all line up in there, so nothing spliced on the seat. I didn't have to cut any wires. Go to a junkyard, get a harness off of a sedan seat, and then do what I did. I just got some shitty AutoZone. Come on, focus. I just got some AutoZone spade female connectors. And then there you go. And then I'll just tuck this all up under here and zip tie it or whatnot so it's out of the way. There you go, man. That's how you do it.